Hi everyone. So I made a recipe app and I got the idea from our records app, but I wanted to make it a little more complicated by including some components that we use throughout the semester. Let me see if it'll ever open. I'll show you how it works. Okay, so on the front page, you can see I've got a category picker. So I've got a number of categories listed here. Then you can select from here and you can edit. So you can move these around or delete. If you click on them, it'll open up into this page where everything in here is editable. You can move these guys around for ingredients. You can add an ingredient. And I actually used an alert to add here because I didn't want to add a whole extra field or another page or anything. Uh, let's see. So you can add stuff down here. And that will save. You can also add a new ingredient in here. And that will open up a whole new page. Let's see, let's do test add. Uh, and then if you save it, you can see that it's still there. And all this information is being saved in a JSON file. So you can see, can add stuff here. I actually think that was probably the most complicated part of this whole project was trying to get the items to save into the different category files. So I figured out that I could um, have it encode back as soon as it came back to this page or when it was closed out. So let's see, let's go ahead and close it out so you can see the persistent storage. Oh, where is it? Here it is, app. So you can see our ad test is still here. Everything's still here. I don't even remember what the other one was. What else were we in? I don't know. I don't remember. But you can see that it works. Um, I think if I was going to continue to work on this, I'd probably add a search option or search bar up here. I think that would be beneficial. I'd also probably add an all category, and then I'd have to figure out how to get the stuff to update in that all category file along with all the other individual files. So that would probably take a minute, but would make it a little more robust. But I think that's it. Have a good semester, y'all.